BMA and government Chadchart had the initiative to plant 1 million trees. We Agoda planted about 10,000 trees. We are here today to plant 50 small amount of those 10,000 trees together and celebrate.
So every place we go, every destination that we go, we try to partner with the hotels, we partner with the tourism government to ensure that there is sustainability in everything that we do.
And we believe sustainability and CSR, it's very important for us to give back to our communities and to future generations.
It was good. It was a fun morning. I came with my team members as well, and it's a change from our day-to-day in the office. We met to do something good, something active together.